are at the airport in DC on our way to Portugal. We have a red-eye flight. Excited?
I can't wait.
We just spent the entire day in DC because we had literally a 10-hour layover, but it was so much fun. Pretty nails for Portugal. Look at this color. It's literally insane. I'm wearing matching sweat sets. So cute. We got the level 8 suitcase covers and it worked so well with protecting our luggage. Like, look at this. Cute. Ooh. Alright, in one piece.
Don't fall, you're gonna fall. Yes.
It's pretty. Oh, this marble is stunning. Look at these robes.
Oh, wow.
Oh my gosh. Wes is going outside.
Baby, look at this.
This is so pretty. What are you looking at? Let me see. We have our level 8 carry-on, and then here's my packed bag. It's super packed with all of these cute little compartments. And it looks so good. We used our suitcase covers. And here's my carry-on from level 8. And then Wes and I have matching like checked bags from level 8, of course. So here's all our luggage we brought on our trip to Portugal. Ooh, we should get dessert. So there's literally like a wine tasting right through the floor. There's a window, we can see it. Or a restaurant or something. I think it's a wine tasting though, because it's like in a cellar. Make something. Outfits of the day. We have the Lululemon outfit. And I'm casual because I don't know if you can tell by my voice, but I'm very sick. And then this is the view. So pretty. Look at the birdie. Get in it. Look at the palm trees. And a little cutie pie right there. It's gorgeous.
I know, this is cool.
So we have like a tour. It's actually mandatory. You can't just like walk around. But we're waiting for our tour. It starts in 5 minutes. So we're learning a lot of history about Portugal. And like the stock exchange building. She's talking. Where are we going for dinner? A French restaurant?
Yes,
I don't remember the
it's
name.
Rio's, Tapas, and Bar.
It's a 4-minute walk from our house. Oh, it's tapas again?
Yeah.
I like tapas.
I know.
You don't like tapas
No.
because I don't eat meat.
Yes.
He doesn't get meat if we do tapas.
Yes.
Okay, let's go walk. Old-fashioned room key. Very nice, very cute, very demure. This tiny little elevator. Excited for food.
Yes.
We're currently walking to dinner. It's like a very nice neighborhood, honestly. There's like a lot of really cute places nearby, like cafes and brunch spots.
Thank you.
Oh, yeah, thank you. Am I supposed to use this thing?
Yeah, the cinnamon straw or cinnamon.
So here's wild potatoes, vegetarian sausage, and something else. How delicious this looks. So dinner was super good. We just finished dessert. We got a brownie. Now we're gonna walk back to the hotel and have an early night in and just go to sleep, I think, because we have an early morning. We're gonna go to this famous library. So see you guys tomorrow. Good morning. It's 7 a.m. and we have a reservation at this like famous library at 9:30. So I'm getting ready to go down to breakfast at 8 and my throat is still a little sore. So starting to feel better, but I'm so excited. So see you there. Alrighty. This staircase, it's gorgeous. So my curling iron literally doesn't work at all, even with the adapter plugs. So we're just rocking some frizzy hair today, but that's okay. Breakfast. Wow. Here's Wesley looking at the pool. I didn't even know that this hotel had a pool. But here we are. It's like a little lap pool kind of, but tiny. But it's very aesthetic. What a nice little courtyard. We'll definitely not be getting in the pool because it's freezing. But it's so nice. Okay, so breakfast is included with our hotel, which is so nice because it's in like an actually like super nice sit-down restaurant. So I got a white chocolate latte. The glass is really hot, so I'm just drink it like this. It's really good. So we just got to the library. Highly recommend getting the gold tickets because we just walked in and there was like a super long line on the other part for like regular tickets. Also, they were really cheap. They were like $18 each versus $12.
Yeah.
So definitely get gold tickets. But it's super nice. We came in 9:30 in the morning, so it's not super crowded yet, but it's like still a lot of people. We just left the library. We were probably in there for like 15 minutes. In my opinion, you could totally skip it. It's literally like a glorified Barnes & Noble, except way smaller. It does have a really cool like red staircase, but it's basically like kind of like if you're at Disney World, but inside a tiny shop to where everybody's just taking pictures everywhere and you can't even walk through. And in the morning, it's like not even particularly busy. So in my opinion, it's very affordable. So like if you want to stop by really quick, like we did, we were in there for like 10 minutes, then obviously do it, but you can skip it. My outfit of the day. My fleece lined tights, boots, cute little burgundy, and my coat, and then my beach bag. And I am definitely warm enough. I think it's like 50 degrees, right?
Yeah.
Somewhere around there. But it's not raining, so actually quite pleasant out. Stopped in at this cafe.
Ya sabes. ¿Quieres saber? Dos.
Give it a try. Very sweet. Wonder if they let me sword at that price. Okay, so we came back to the room, borrowed a converter from the hotel staff for my curling iron. So that was nice. And we actually made reservations for a wine tour and tasting at this place called, what is it called?
Avalinda.
Avalinda. I will honestly, I just Googled wineries and it's a 20-minute Uber and it just looks gorgeous. And I'm very into aesthetics. So I was like, okay, this looks pretty. Let's go. They had availability today. A lot of things are closed on Sunday. A lot of stores, a lot of restaurants, a lot of wineries, completely closed all day Sunday. So good to know. So now we're in our hotel I'm gonna get some tea and we're gonna get lunch nearby. We're gonna walk and then we're gonna go out to winery. So I'm very excited. It's also not raining. It's a very beautiful day and it's not too cold. It's 60s. Where do we go? I'm not sure. It says open. Okay, hold on.
Interesting.
Just kind of scared for my life, honestly.
She called me because she needed help going to the bathroom. To my shock, there's just a bunch of live peacocks.
Okay, well now they're moving.
Hello, Mr. Peacock. Mr. Peacock.
One, I'm not even kidding.
Oh my god.
One was standing right here and it would not move and then it stared at me.
What's down there?
We're on our wine tour and it's honestly quite beautiful. It's January, so the garden is not really gardening, but it's still gorgeous. It's fountains, there's a cute little Wesley.
That's me.
And there's a little gate, but it is overall really pretty. It's a gorgeous walking path surrounding it. Oh my gosh, look at this view.
A salmon color, isn't it?
This is green wine. Looks like white wine. Tastes like a Pinot Grigio. It's green wine. It's very good. It's dry, but good. In a good way. It's supposed to be. It's wine.
I drank all of mine.
Yeah, he downed two of his olive oil. He's finally wine.
It's been a year.
It's their red wine. It smells like a cow.
Because it's delicious.
Tastes like a cow.
It's so good.
Isn't my preference. And this is delicious. So,
Half eaten.
So they make this cheese here with their goats, and they make the bread here also with their goats. Just kidding. And they make the meat here with,
Their goats.
And then this is smashed up olives.
From their goats.
Yeah, and even this, all of this on store.
That's bold.
They took the tiniest. How is that bold? They licked it. Essentially, it's actually pretty good.
It's marmalade.
We're gonna try this marmalade. Here's our view from our table. Hey, baby. So we came to dinner. This place called Porto. Anyway, it's on the 19th floor of this building and it is stunning. And it's like they sat us up their best corner window table. So nice. And we got all dressed up. I love the lights. Like the chandeliers are so pretty. Amuse bouche, which is compliments from the chef. Don't pick your leaf off.
Yeah.
Put it on. Put it back on. Adds to the flavor.
We have some wheat and rye bread, followed with local olive oil from the northeast of Portugal. And then we have a selection of butters. In the middle, black olives butter. And last but not the least, it's a sardines butter.
Okay, so here's our appetizer. Okay, so this is the cod fish, and then this is the octopus that we ordered.
This looks so good.
I know, it looks delicious. I'm excited to try it. We just finished dinner and it was so good, super yummy. We're gonna probably get dessert back at our hotel because we're really tired. And we're taking a train tomorrow to Lisbon, so we'll see you on the train. We have all of our luggage and we're about to go down to breakfast. Everything is so nice in this hotel. I just love it so much. I hope our hotel is just as nice in Lisbon. So I'm definitely getting something sweet for breakfast and eggs. But anyways, here's the outfit for the train. Just like leggings, sweatshirt. We have a 3-hour train ride down to Lisbon. We're on the fast train though, so it does take like less time. If we drove, it's like 5 hours. So yes, we will see you at breakfast. Okay, I'm sorry I forgot to vlog breakfast, but here's my little and we're in the same restaurant. It's literally blind. It's called Blind, where it's a Michelin star restaurant, and I'm pretty sure they serve you certain courses where they're like blindfolded. But my whole point is it's amazing, and that's where breakfast is because it's in our hotel, so it's like the same staff, like the same restaurant, everything. My latte is super yummy. I got a waffle and sunny side up eggs, which were delicious. Wes got the exact same thing as me, and we're like cleared out, so delicious. Okay, I'll see you on the train. I do have to work from my phone, work with my job as I get to answer emails on a train while I'm on my way to Lisbon. Oh gosh, but yeah.